What is collagen?
Yeah, so collagen is a dense protein that's found in...
People think that I'm in my mid-20s, and when I tell them my age, they are shocked.
Can a daily scoop of collagen really smooth your skin, strengthen your joints, and grow your muscles? People say it works like magic.
I feel like I'm experiencing a lot of volume to my hair.
But is it real or just hype? Let's find out what collagen really does inside your body, and if it's worth your money. Collagen is everywhere right now. It's in your skincare, your protein bars, and in your favorite influencer's morning routine.
Collagen liquid packets for on the go because it's a really convenient way to ensure I maintain feeling my best on the inside and out. I just glow and feel so confident when I take Youth Collagen, and it gives my skin the boost it needs after travel.
They say it helps with everything from glowing skin to joint pain and even muscle recovery. But what is collagen really? In this video, we're going to break it all down. We'll explain what collagen actually is, how it works, and what researchers really say about it. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know if collagen is truly worth your money, or just a pretty label on an expensive jar. So, what is collagen, really? Think of it like the support system for your body. It's what keeps your skin firm, your joints moving smoothly, and your bones strong. It's one of the most important proteins we have. Collagen is made up of amino acids, tiny building blocks your body uses for a lot of things. Collagen is the most common protein in your body, making up about 30% of all your proteins. There are over 20 types of collagen, but types I, II, and III are the main ones. Type 1 is found in skin, bones, tendons, and teeth. Type 2 is mostly in your cartilage, and Type 3 is found in skin, muscles, and blood vessels. But here's the problem. As you get older, your collagen production drops. Wrinkles appear, joints ache, bones get brittle, and it's not just aging. Stress, UV rays, and bad habits can speed this up. It's a slow breakdown over time, something you don't feel happening, but the signs show up little by little. And that's where collagen supplements come in. But before we get into whether they actually work, let's see what the science says about all this. So here's a question a lot of people ask. If collagen is just protein, can't I get the same results from eating chicken or drinking a protein shake? Seems logical, right? But your body doesn't work that way. When you eat any kind of protein, whether it's steak, tofu, or eggs, your digestive system breaks it down. Enzymes in your stomach and intestines chop those big protein molecules into tiny pieces called amino acids. But here's where collagen supplements are different. They're hydrolyzed. That means the collagen is already broken into smaller chains, called peptides, before you even take it. And research has shown that some of these collagen peptides are small enough to survive digestion. They actually make it into your bloodstream. But here's where many people get confused. These peptides actually don't go straight to your wrinkles or nails or hair. Instead, they act like little messengers. When they reach your connective tissues, they can signal your cells, especially fibroblasts, to start making more collagen. So while they don't fix your skin or joints directly, their job is to send a signal to your body saying, hey, it's time to make more collagen. That's what makes collagen supplements different from just eating protein from meat or eggs or beans. And now, let's talk about what that means for your skin, joints, and muscles. You've probably seen promises like glowing skin, joint support, and even stronger bones. But what does science actually say? Let's start with skin. Collagen is a major part of your skin structure. It keeps it firm, stretchy, and smooth. As you age, your body makes less collagen, which is why wrinkles start to appear. Most people will start producing about 1% less collagen each year by around age 20. This happens because your body's collagen-making cells, called fibroblasts, slow down, and the collagen you already have gets damaged over time by things like sun exposure or stress. Now, some studies showed that taking collagen supplements daily improved skin elasticity and hydration by up to in some people. But the changes are small. You might notice slightly softer skin, but it's not like getting a facelift. Also, your body breaks collagen supplements into tiny pieces, amino acids, so it's not guaranteed they'll go straight to your skin. What about joints and bones? Some people who take collagen say it helps with joint pain, especially during exercise or in conditions like arthritis. A study found that taking collagen daily reduced joint pain compared to those who didn't take it. Another study showed it helped older adults feel less pain when walking. And since bones are actually made up of about 90% collagen, it makes sense that collagen would be important here. As you age, less collagen can make bones weaker, especially in older women at risk for osteoporosis. A study showed that people with osteoarthritis taking collagen supplements for 3 months experienced less pain. And those taking it for 6 months or more found their stiffness and joint mobility greatly improved. But again, collagen alone won't fix weak bones. You need calcium and vitamin D to keep bones strong. And finally, muscles. Researchers recently found that taking 3 grams of collagen per day for 6 weeks resulted in less muscle pain. There's also some research showing collagen may help with muscle recovery after workouts, especially for older adults or people not getting enough protein in their diets. But if you're already healthy and eating enough protein, the difference may be minimal. Still, there's one group that's often left confused, and that's vegans. Let's clear that up next. Here's the harsh truth. There is no such thing as real plant-based collagen. That's because collagen only comes from animals. It's found in skin, bones, and connective tissue, not something plants have.
Don't believe the claims that there's like a ginseng or a carrot peptide that functions similar to collagen. This is not backed by any science. Maybe in the future. Science is always changing. But as of right now, this is a scam. Don't waste your money on vegan collagen.
So when brands advertise vegan collagen, what they're really selling is a collagen booster.
This vegan pro collagen by Wellbeing Nutrition is conscious, proven, and effective.
These are just blends of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that may help your body make its own collagen. But they're not actual collagen. It's like giving your body the building blocks, not the finished product. But here's something most people overlook. Collagen isn't just about beauty and fitness, it's also about long-term health. Collagen plays a huge role in gut health, heart function, and even your brain. Some early studies suggest that collagen may help support the lining of your gut, especially for people with digestive issues like leaky gut or IBS. It acts like a natural glue that helps seal and protect the intestinal wall. There's also emerging research showing collagen's potential in promoting better sleep and reducing anxiety, thanks to its high glycine content, an amino acid known for calming the nervous system. It's still early, but the possibilities are exciting. And let's not forget heart health. Type 3 collagen is found in your blood vessels, and not getting enough could impact the elasticity of your arteries over time. Keeping collagen levels up might help your circulation stay strong and smooth as you age. The bottom line, collagen isn't just skin deep. It's a quiet helper behind the scenes, supporting everything from movement to digestion to mood. And while it's not magic, it might just be one of the simplest ways to invest in your health from the inside out. Now let's answer the big question. So, should you take collagen? Absolutely. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to support your skin, joints, and recovery, collagen is one of the best daily habits you can build. The science continues to grow, and studies show real benefits, especially if you're active, aging, or not getting enough protein in your diet. Collagen gives your body the exact building blocks it needs to stay strong, flexible, and glowing from the inside out. It won't replace a healthy lifestyle, but it can absolutely boost your results and keep your body performing at its best. So if you're thinking about it, go for it. Choose a high-quality collagen, stay consistent, and let the results build over time. Because when it comes to feeling good and looking great, a little daily support goes a long way. So, have you ever tried collagen? Let me know in the comments. We want to hear your real experience. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell, so you don't miss what's coming next.